Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. This is going to be a short video, I think, because it shouldn't take me too long, but we will see. We are setting up my savings challenge binder right here, and there's nothing in it. It's brand new. So I'm excited to do this with you guys and to pick out which savings challenges that I will be doing for 2022. Now, if you are new to this channel, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy. Stick around and subscribe. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much for commenting, liking, all of it. But let's get started. And yeah, we have the binder, we have some envelopes here, and then here are just a few like decor pieces that I might put into the binder, but I'm gonna put them aside because I still haven't decided on them yet. And yeah, let's kind of jump into it, I guess. So I decided to make my savings challenge envelope a yellow binder. I don't know, I like this color. It's very soothing and it's fun. So this is what it looks like. Again, if you guys are curious about anything that you see here, everything is always listed down below and where you can find everything. I do have these binders in the shop along with all of these savings challenge options as well. You can get all of these individually or you can get them as a bundle with a binder. Again, I'm gonna link everything below, but I'm just gonna set up my personal savings challenges because I haven't done it yet and it's already halfway through the month and I figured I would do it with you guys on camera. So I decided to do the yellow one here. Now this is a bunch of envelopes. I'm not going to use all of them, but this is actually kind of how I pack your orders if you guys are curious. If you order anything from the shop, I usually have the savings challenges already printed, laminated, cut, and everything. And this is how I pack your orders if you're curious. So this should be fun for you guys to see. So yeah, we're just gonna talk through which savings challenges I wanna do and why pretty much. And yeah, let's just jump into it. So the first savings challenge I know I definitely wanna do is the holiday savings challenge. I like to do this because I never like to scramble for money at the end of the year when the holidays come around. And for me, here are all of the increments here. We have 500, 1,000, and 2,000. So I'm either going to do 500 or 1,000, but I feel like 500 is going to be more than enough. So I'm going to do this one for my holiday savings challenge. So it's going to look like that. And again, like all of these are sold separately. You can even just get the labels if you want just the label. All right, so we'll do the holiday one. And then the next one that I definitely want to do is Disney. So Disney is definitely a priority for me. I want to take my niece to Disney in a couple of years, so I figured I should start this sooner rather than later. And Disney, let's see. Disney only has one increment. It's a $5,000 goal because Disney's pretty expensive, you guys. So we're gonna do that. And then also 4th of July, I don't think I'm gonna do that. So we're just gonna skip that. So this is the Disney Savings Challenge, $5,000. And again, this one, it's actually going to be over 2 years. I'm just gonna start it this year, but I honestly don't plan on finishing the $5,000 Disney Challenge this year. This is for, you know, a long-term savings challenge type of thing. Okay, let's see, what else? I do sort of want to do a vacation challenge. Let's see, the only two I definitely knew I wanted to do was the Disney and the holiday for 500. Now, I'm debating on doing a vacation savings challenge because I already have a travel envelope. I have my, you know, big trips already paid off and planned. So do I start another vacation savings challenge? I don't know. I feel like I kind of want to. And then this can be for like an extra trip down the line. So let's see, we have 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000. Since it's just me, I'm a single girl, I'm gonna do the $1,000 one. And again, I can change my mind if I want to. If I don't want to, you know, do this one anymore, I can just take it out. No big deal. Okay. Get that in there. And then the $1,000 tracker. Perfect. I think this would be nice to have like an extra travel cushion because I think traveling is very important. I like to experience things. I like to see the world. So yeah, I think this is a good move. Okay, so then we have this section right here. This is a big one. This is all of our just like standard increments. Emergency savings challenge is 1,000. We have our $2,000 savings challenge there, 3,000, 5,000, and 10,000. So I think these are really great if you have something that you are wanting to save up for. I don't really want to specifically save for anything in particular, so I might not do any of these this year. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna change my mind. So I think I really want to do the 75 envelope challenge because the 100 envelope challenge last year was hard. So I think I can really accomplish this one. And for me, I want to pick challenges that are not going to be overwhelming and are not going to feel like a chore. And I want them to be reachable, you know? So that's why I have so many options and savings challenges for you guys, because everybody's budget is different. So I think this one's gonna be a good one. I'm excited to do this one. And again, it's like the 100 envelope challenge I did last year, but in 75, so it's a little bit smaller. And then I think I wanna do the 52 week again. So last year I did this and I really liked it. It was, again, easy enough to not have it feel like it was taking away so much from me every few weeks or every week. So I think I'm definitely gonna do this again. And if I finish it early, I can always do another savings challenge. So yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna do the 52 week again because this one was really fun. But now I'm just gonna do an envelope form. You guys know last year I did it on the paper printable form. So this year I'll do it in the envelope form since I have a whole savings challenge binder. Okay, should I do any more? Now I feel like I should do one of these. Like I feel like I should do like the 1,000 or 2,000, maybe the 2,000. Again, I don't want to overwhelm myself with savings challenges because then sometimes I feel like if I don't stuff them, I'm doing something bad. You know what I mean? And I know that I'm not, but I kind of want to add the $2,000 one in here. Again, I don't really have a specific goal for anything. Do I do it? What do I do, you guys? You know what? I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to challenge myself and try to also do this one. You know, sometimes you're in the mood and sometimes you're not. All right, I'm gonna take these out of the way because this is gonna be the last one that we do. If I change my mind in the middle of the year, it's your binder, it's your savings challenge, it's your budget. You can stop a savings challenge if you want. It's not a big deal, and I need to remind myself that. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 savings challenges right in here, and I am going to poke out all of these holes. So when you guys get your envelopes or challenges, these holes are still in place. So you just need to like pop out these little holes so you can just stick them into the binder. Do you guys see that? How these aren't popped out and these are? So I'm just gonna pop out these holes and then put them in the binder. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I popped out all the little holes in the envelopes and now we can just put them into the binder right here. So I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna do holiday first and then we'll do vacation, then Disney. We have the 52 week challenge, 75 envelope challenge, and 2,000. All right, I am so excited about these challenges. Again, you guys can pick this up in a bundle like this where you'll get the binder and 5 challenges of your choice. I have 6 in here personally, but 5 is I think more than enough. And yeah, look how cute. I'm super excited to do videos using this binder setup for the savings challenges. But also, I brought these out because I thought they would be really cute just to like decorate the side. But now looking at it, the sticky notes are not gonna fit. So these are just little like, I don't know, little freebies that I got from a Scribble Prints order or Once More with Love, I forget. They're both stationery sticker shops. So maybe I'll just put this little girl in here. Should I do her? I don't know if I should put her down here. She's so cute, or up here. You know what, maybe I'll put her down here, and then I have this paper clip. I absolutely love this paper clip. It's in like a rose gold color. Can you guys see that? And it's just a peace sign. So I think it's so cute. Maybe I'll put it on this side. So I'm just gonna put that right in there. How cute! Okay, I think that's cute. I don't think we need too much going on over here. I just kind of wanted to decorate it because all of my other binders are kind of plain, and I think she's so cute. It's such a cute vinyl. If you guys would be interested in stickers, let me know. I mean, this obviously is not from my shop, but I think these little stickers are so cute with the characters. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me set up my savings challenge binder. Again, you can find everything linked down below. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!